Hey everyone, Shane here at SWICKtech, and today I want to tell you a little bit more about what a VPN is and how you can use it to connect to your business's network from at home. So let's dive right in. First things first, what's a VPN? VPN stands for a virtual private network, and it's a concept that you can use to tunnel, so to speak, from one location, let's say your home or a Starbucks or Collectivo coffee shop, into another network so as to make it appear that you're physically in that environment, right? So the biggest example today is working from home. How can you use your laptop to get to the resources that are hosted within your office or within your business's building? Maybe that's files on a server or other computers or servers in that environment, maybe specific applications that are hosted on a server there. And another really good example is even if you use cloud resources to build your servers and environment, oftentimes that will be locked down so that it's only readily available when you're on your business's network. And so you'll still want to use a VPN for that sort of connection too. So just to give you a little bit of feel for what this looks like, I'm going to go ahead and show you what it's like to connect to our VPN here at SWICKtech. So for starters, I'll show you a very common tool that you'll use in the office is going to be a shared drive or a file share of files. These can have any number of names, and they're also often going to have a letter attached to them. So you'll see right here we've got a drive at SWICKtech called the S drive. I'm going to go ahead and double click that. Oops, but I'm not connected to my VPN, so I'm not going to be able to get access to those files. So let's go ahead and walk through how we get connected to that. In my system tray here, I'm going to have my VPN connection through Cisco. We're using a Cisco firewall in this instance to get access into the environment. Oftentimes, businesses will have a Cisco firewall. They may have a Fortinet, FortiGate firewall, or many other common ones are out there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and connect here and type in my password for my work credentials. And that's going to prompt me on my phone to approve for multi-factor authentication. So I'm going to do that as well. And we'll get signed in here. You'll notice this Cisco AnyConnect screen will just kind of vanish once we're connected. You can confirm it's connected by seeing that little yellow lock icon over the top of it. So now that we're connected, let's see if we can go ahead and get into that SWICKtech shared drive. Look at that. There are all the files I needed to complete my work for SWICKtech. So another common example you might have, once you're connected into your VPN, it's like you're sitting in the office, right? So you can remote desktop out to other resources in that environment. You'll see I can hop on another device here and sign back in. And there's all kinds of other examples that you can utilize this for once you're in that environment space. If you guys have any questions, want to learn more about what a VPN is or how it works, feel free to hit us up at swicktech.com. Thanks.